Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 7. Today we are going to discuss the topic solving an equation. Solving an equation. So, children, first you consider an equality. That is 8 minus 3 is equal to 4 plus 1. This is an equality because in between these two statements there is a equal to symbol, isn't it? So, it is an equality. So let's check is this equality holds. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 plus 1 is also 5. That means LHS and RHS, left hand side and right hand side, both are equal, isn't it? So this is an equality and here it is equality holds here. Okay. Now children, look here. The equality is just like a balance. Okay, it isn't balanced. That is, if I am drawing a balance and if I am putting one side LHS in one pan and RHS in other pan, it will be balanced. Okay, it will be equally balanced because we know both sides are having same value, isn't it? So it will equally balance. And if I am adding 2 to this number, that is 8 plus 3, 8 minus 3 is already here. If I am adding plus 2 with this and if I am adding the same plus 2 with the right hand side, what will happen? Yes, that is 5, then 5 plus 2, 7. This side also 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Now also this is having equal values, isn't it? So if I am adding a same number with these LHS and RHS, both sides, then the value will be the same. Now if I am subtracting a number, it is 8 minus 3 plus 2 here, I am going to subtract a number from this. That is, I am going to subtract 3 from this. Okay, I am subtracting 3 from here and I am subtracting the same 3 from the right hand side also. Okay, now look children, it is now 8 minus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7. Now 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, isn't it? And here 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 3 4. So here we got 4 on both sides. That means if we are adding or subtracting a same number from the left hand side and the right hand side, the values will not change. This equality will never change. It will be equal. Clear? And the same way, if I am multiplying with the same number, if I am multiplying with 2 here and multiplying 2 here also, so into 2, then into 2. So we know that the answer of this much is 4. So 4 into 2, 8. Here also 4 into 2, 8. So that will also hold the same value. And here division also you can perform here. But the important thing is which number you are multiplying or adding or subtracting or dividing with the left hand side. That same number you do with the right hand side. Okay, then the value of the equality will never change. Value will be the same. Okay, for example, another example, if I am subtracting 1 from here and I am subtracting 2 from here. Children, look, I subtracted 1 from here and I subtracted 2 from here. We know the answer of this much is 8, isn't it? So 8 minus 1 will be 7. Here 8 minus 2 will be 6. Is these two are same? No. Now it's are different. So children, the important thing is which number you are subtracting, which operation you are doing in the left side, that same one you have to do in the right side. So if you are subtracting 1 from the left hand side, then you subtract 1 from the right hand side, not 2. Okay, so this will make the equality same. That is, it will never change the value of this equation. So this property we are using when we are solving an equation. Okay, that is, if we are adding a 1 here, then you should add 1 in the right hand side. If you are subtracting 1 here, then you should subtract 1 from the right hand side. And if you are multiplying with 2, then you multiply with the 2 in the right hand side also. Okay, if you are dividing by 2, then do the same. Divide by 2 on the right hand side. Then that equation will be same on both sides. Okay, then only that equation exists. Okay, so now we will move to solving an equation. Children, now we are moving to the solving the equation. Okay, so consider the equation x plus 3 is equal to 8. This is x plus 3 is equal to 8. We know this x plus 3 is the LHS of this equation and 8 is the RH of this equation. Now this equation like a balance. Okay, it is just like a balance, that is x plus 3 is equal and to 8. Okay, and x plus 3 are 8 and 8 both are having same value, that's why the equality symbol came here. Okay, now we have to solve this equation. Solve means you have to find out the value of x. Okay, to get x you have to find out what x is equal to, but here x is having 3 with it, isn't it? LHS is having 2 terms, that is x and 3, but we have to find out x only. Okay, so you have to cancel this 3 from here, then only you can find out x. So children, just now we learned if we are adding or subtracting a number on both sides, it will not disturb the equality, isn't it? So here we have to take x only, so we have to remove 3 from this side. So we know to remove x 3, here it is x plus 3, isn't it children? So if I am subtracting a 3 from this side, then 3 minus 3 will be 0, isn't it? So we will get x only here in the left hand side. Got it? So I am subtracting 3 from the left hand side. Now tell me children what to do. Yes, the same 3 you have to subtract from the right hand side, isn't it? That is 8 minus 3. Okay, this is the first step. So what we have done here? Yes, subtract 3 from both LHS and RHS. This is the first step, okay, of solving. So children, do you have a doubt? Why should we subtract 3 and not some other number? Yes, it is because subtracting 3 reduces the LHS to x, isn't it? That's why we took 3 here. We subtracted 3 from this side. Okay, the same minus 3 we did on the right hand side also. Now let's solve. X plus 3 minus 3, that is x plus 0. X plus 0 means it's x. Okay, so x is equal to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes, so you got the answer here. What is it? X is equal to 5. We got the value of x. So x is equal to 5. Got it children? So this way you can find out the solution of an equation. Clear? Let's discuss one more example. Children, look at the next equation. X minus 3 is equal to 10. You have to solve this equation. Solve means you have to find out the value of x. Okay. So to answer this one, first step you have to do is, yes, here it is 3 is subtracting from x, isn't it? You have to take x only here. So to get x only, what we have to do? Yes, here it is minus 3. So if we are adding a 3 with us, we can cancel. That is, we will get 0 in this place, isn't it? It is minus 3 already here. So if you are adding a 3 with this, you will get 0. Okay. So let's do that. That is, add 3 with both LHS and RHS. Okay, then we will get it as x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to, we know if you are adding a 3 with LHS, then you have to add the same number on the RHS. Otherwise it will be disturb the equality, isn't it? So x minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. Then x is equal to 10 plus 3. What is 10 plus 3, children? Yes, 10 plus 3 is 13. So we got x is equal to 13. So it is solved. Clear? Now we are discussing another example question. Look children, here is another example question. 5y is equal to 35. Look children, here 5 is multiplied with y. Okay. To cancel 5 from this place, you have to divide it by 5. Okay. Always remember, if a number is subtracted from the x, then you add that same number with it. Okay. If is subtraction given, then you add that number. If addition is given, then you subtract that number. Then if multiplication is given, then you divide the numbers. Okay. Divide that same number. Okay. Then you can do the division here. Divide both LHS and RHS by 5. Okay. So 5y divided by 5. So here 5 by 5 will be 1. So we got 1y. Okay. Then 35 by 5. Okay children. So here 5 by 5 is 1. So that is 1y. That is 1y is y. So we got y only here in the left side. Now 35 by 5 is 7 5s are 35. So we got y is equal to 7. Got it children? Okay. So children, this way you can do the solving an equation. You can solve an equation. Okay. So practice more questions of this type and study it well. Okay. Only one thing you have to remember. If you are adding a number on the left side, you do the same on the right side also. Okay. Then only it will have a same balance. Okay. That is very important. And this way we can easily find out the value of the variable. Okay children, so study it well. Thank you.